There we go. My plan for this sweet gum tree is to put some rocks around here, and hopefully when it rains that will fill up and help to give it a little bit more water. Oh, Barn. Happy birthday, Barney. Happy birthday, Barney. He's got a bone. Happy birthday, Barney. Oh, bonbons. You want a birthday bone? There you go. Enjoy, Barn. You got a birthday bone. Barney's birthday today. Barney's birthday today. It's your birthday. Enjoy your birthday bone. Okay, we've been playing with some irrigation today, and with any luck, when this timer says 2:35, things will kick off for 1 minute. And to be honest, I'm hoping water doesn't come out in a way. Mind you, let's grab a tree and give it some watering. Let's take the walnut and stick this guy in there. I've got 8 seconds. And do that tap. With any luck. Oh, I heard it click. It definitely clicked, but no pump started. That pump should have kicked in. Okay. I wouldn't say it's exactly worked. But it's actually supposed to be, it's on now. It's got a switch. Everything's happening. The pump isn't doing anything. Okay. Not exactly gone to plan. It says there's a light on and it should go off in a few seconds. That's it, it's gone off. But the pump did not engage. Okay. Well, I think I realised what I've done wrong. I hadn't actually popped this one on. Right, so both of these in here. 2:39. Let's set another timer. And press this guy in here. Starts it all over again. Let's set the time again. So day is Tuesday and the time is 2:40. Let's go 2:41. It's currently Tuesday, 2:41. I'm going to go to program. I'm going to go on every day at 2:42. And you want it to stop every day at 2:43. And just complete it to the end. I think you can have 16 different goes, and that's it. So in 24 seconds, with any luck, that pump will engage, take water from this tank and put some water in here. I think that's the on situation. It's all a bit of a strange setup. It's just a test. See if it does work. And actually, I haven't put a stopper on the end of here, so we might get water come out here. Yay! Woohoo! There we go. That's a bit fierce, that, isn't it? Well, it has worked. So at least we know that the timer does work. Quite exciting. And then in 40 seconds, it should come off. So where's the water? Is there any water coming out of here? There is no water coming out of here, but technically. Whoa! Water should start coming out of the end of here in a mo. Quite a lot of pressure. Whoa! The walnut tree did get some... God, I've got the battery wet. Not ideal. That's probably a bit too much water for the walnut plant. Nice wet battery, not ideal. I'll dry that off quickly and we know it works. Right, so I've brought the battery over here. We've got one line that Barn's lying on. Come on off the line, Barn. Off the hose. Good boy. And that goes all the way up there. And then I've just put in a little makeshift situation for now to feed all the plant pots whilst I decide where to put them. So I'm going to give it a bit of a trial run now. We'll just put it on manual for a moment. Let's see if we get anything coming out. Oh look! Water, 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 water. Let's go and have a little look at the other one. Have we got water coming out here too? Not quite. Might take some time to make it down all this tube, if it ever does. Oh, there it is, look! Ooh! Amazing! We should have water going on all the pots. We need to have so much going out. Super cool. That's having a bit of an issue. Oh shit. It's all coming out of there as well. Okay, so we've got some problems. Turn it off. How do you even turn it off? Let's just unplug it. I've got wet hands now. Okay, so we got some issues to sort, but it works. Uh-oh, Barn. We've got a problem. We're actually stuck. Oh. Shit. I actually can't move. I've tried putting rocks under the wheels. I'm stuck. I've tried to dig my way out of it, and I have actually gotten out of the hole, but now I'm stuck again. So let's see if we can get out. Give it another go. Put some rocks in front of the wheels again. Give it another go. Right, I can only describe this as torture. So we're here. We've come from here, and every time I go a foot, I've got to dig it back out again. A farmer's just walked by, and I think he's going to go and get his tractor and pull me out. It's actually been torture. I keep getting questions on what I do for Barney's food. So I've splashed some water in a pan. I've thrown in some sweet corn, some vegetables, a little bit of soya mince. Then I'm going to throw some couscous in. Give it a stir. I'm just going to wait until all the juices are absorbed. Well, don't have to wait for it to absorb. I just need to wait for the water to boil slightly so I know it's hot enough. And then I can turn the pan off. Wait for it all to absorb, and that's the base. And then I'll throw some mixed seeds in there. I'll put some mixed seeds on top. I'll also put some bee pollen, just like a teaspoon. Oh, I haven't put any chickpeas in, so that's another thing I need to do. So put a bean of some description. We've got carb, we've got veg, ooh, a bit too many, But we'll put some beans in there as well. He's not a lightweight, so we'll throw. Then he's got his protein. It's a good idea if you squash the beans a little bit, because their digestive tracts are so short. They sort of come out before they fully digest. So if you squash them a little bit, then they get more of the goodness from them. Yeah, so that's the base. And then, like I say, we'll put some seeds, some pollen, and then finally, before you all tell me off because you think I've got a vegan dog, we'll put a can of sardines and oil in there. And it's as simple as that. You just throw some water in. I put soya pieces, sweet corn, chickpeas, veg, you know, a bit of everything. And yeah, sometimes I'll drizzle some olive oil over the top. And yeah, just as many whole food, actual food things as possible. And a can of sardines. There you go, that's the finished product. I'll give it all a mix, mash up those sardines. It changes every day, you know, it doesn't have to be sweet corn, doesn't have to be sardines, doesn't have to be that kind of veg or chickpeas. It can be cannellini beans or pinto beans, or, you know, rice instead of the couscous, or green beans instead of the sweet corn. You know, change it up as often as you can. The key to a healthy diet is variety. There isn't one healthy meal. Meals are healthy, you know, plenty of different variety. And quite often I'll sprout beans, like mung beans and lentils, brown lentils, red lentils, all kinds of different beans, and I'll throw a load of them on as well, so you get sprouted beans and stuff, but they're not ready just yet. But yeah, that's what Barney's dinner looks like every day. My dog does not eat dog food, he eats food. I think it took me 3 or 4 minutes. You know, it is so easy, and we have no excuse not to be feeding our animals well. There we go, so that's how it looks in the end. And I should probably say, in terms of price, it is cheaper than dog food. That pack of sardines cost me about 80p. A small can of sweet corn will last 2 dinners, and that will last 3 dinners. I've got a jar of chickpeas, and that lasts 3 dinners. It's really not expensive. I reckon that dinner has cost £1.50. And see, he loves it. And I'm just about to soak some more beans in here. I'll show you, shall I? I'll show you. Right, so I got a mix here, a little bit of a mix of lentils. They're all split lentils, so they won't sprout. They're just good to go in curries and stuff. Another split lentils bag. But these guys will sprout. So we've got some brown lentils and some mung beans. Mung beans are my absolute favourite thing in the whole wide world. I could eat these by the bowl, just as they are. Obviously got to soak them. I'm going to throw some mung beans in here. And they'll swell up to be about 4 times their original size, so you don't want to put, you know, a whole bowl in. And we're just going to go for mung beans and lentils today, because I'm going to use these for sprouting beans. You can put those in for sprouting beans, because they'll swell and you can eat them as well. I'm going to put some lentils in. There we go, so I'm going to fill that with water, put some cling film over the top, put a few holes in, and then hide them in a dark place. And then when they've all swelled up, I'm going to empty the water mostly out, so there's just a few teaspoons left in the bottom. And then keep them in a dark place, and they'll sprout. And they'll sprout faster because they're looking for the sunlight. And that's it. My barn keeping a lookout. He says, throw the ball again. I know you're coming in. Oh, lovely. Good to have you, mate. And as you can see, his dinner's gone down very well. that beautiful sunset.
Things will get good.